There are over 5 billion smartphones on Earth. That's nearly one for every adult human alive today. We carry them everywhere, in our pockets, under our pillows, and even to the dinner table. But imagine this. What if every single one of them exploded at the exact same second? This isn't just a cracked screen. We are looking at a global thermodynamic catastrophe. It all starts with a single component, the lithium-ion battery. Batteries store energy in a very dense chemical form. It's essentially a tiny controlled bomb. Inside, a thin layer called a separator keeps the volatile chemicals apart. If it fails, all hell breaks loose. This is called thermal runaway, a chain reaction where heat creates more heat instantly. Let's do the math. An average smartphone battery stores about 15 watt-hours of potential energy. That doesn't sound like much. But now, multiply that by 5 billion. It's a staggering number. The total energy released would be roughly 270 terajoules. That is a lot of zeros. This is equivalent to about 65 kilotons of TNT exploding simultaneously across the globe. For context, that is 4 times the energy released by the Hiroshima atomic bomb. But instead of one single point, this energy is distributed everywhere humans live. In the first few seconds, billions of people would feel a sudden intense heat in their pockets. Pants ignite. This gives the term hot pants a completely new and painful meaning. Inside homes, the situation is worse. Phones explode on sofas, beds, and wooden nightstands. Millions of structure fires start at the exact same moment in every city on Earth. Emergency services are useless. You can't call for help because, well, the phones are gone. In the sky, aviation becomes a nightmare. Every plane suddenly has hundreds of thermal bombs. Lithium fires in the cargo hold could overpower the plane's automated fire suppression systems. Drivers on the road lose their navigation, get distracted by smoke, and veer off course. Even server farms aren't safe. The sudden loss of billions of devices triggers a network surge. 90% of the internet effectively dies within minutes of the event. 1 hour later, the world becomes strangely quiet. No notifications, no pings, no vibrations. People wander the streets, wondering if their lunch even happened if they didn't post it. Paper maps suddenly become more valuable than gold, if you can even find one. Grandmothers with old rotary landlines become the new queens of global communication. For the first time in decades, humans are forced to look each other directly in the eye. Hello, what was your name again? I'm your husband, David. It gets awkward. The global economy would likely collapse, as banking relies almost entirely on mobile verification. But we would survive. We would just be doing a lot more math on paper for a while. The lesson? Our smartphones are literally tiny suns that we keep in our pockets. So, if your phone feels a little warm today, maybe put it down, just in case.
What should we delete next? Gravity? The moon? Oxygen? Let us know. Subscribe to IFVERSE to explore the craziest scientific scenarios in the galaxy. Stay curious, stay warm, and we'll see you in the next reality. Peace.